All right, traders. All right. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our pre-week analysis for the week of November 30th to December 4th. So November it now is history. So it's over, finito, no more. So now we're gonna be concentrated on the most slowest day and weeks that are gonna come ahead of us, which is gonna be December, January, and mid-February, guys. So just giving you a heads up, market is gonna be very slow. You guys already experienced on this past week. I told you the market was gonna be open basically only for 3 days, and that was it. And then market was super slow. So same thing is gonna happen for the rest of the week. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and trade our multiple time frame system, guys. Let's go ahead and start with, let me go ahead and type here what we are trading, because believe it or not, people don't ask me any question no more, because this helps, to be honest. It helps when I put this in here. So we are trading, right? So let me type it in here. We are trading multiple time frame system. Link is below. Oops. Or you can find us on our website, which is www.teamwitherving.com. So you can find it either way, but it's better for me if I type this in here, because like that I don't have to keep explaining people, because a lot of people ask me, Irvin, are you still with this company? Irvin, what about this? Irvin, can you do this for me? So no more, finito. It's very cold here in the office, guys, so I'm drinking coffee at the same time. But welcome, everyone. So hopefully everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hopefully you and your family have a blessing time. So now we're gonna go ahead. It gave me the pride to say that the month of November we lost only 6 trades in the whole month. Not a bad deal. Euro USD kicked my butt, but it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start and analyze 4 pairs today. We're gonna go ahead and start with NCD Canadian. So NCD Canadian looks very promising, guys. Pay attention. Here market is in a buy position. So all you need to know is that we are doing a PV, right? Buy. So let's look at the movement. Boom! It's enormous. So this buy here, this it did respect this level here, level 1, level 2, and level 3. So it came and touched a very high location. Pay attention. It's sitting in a sell zone. Remember what I teach you a couple months back? When it's sitting in a sell zone, it's very promising. So which is sitting right now at the 0 Fibonacci level, which is a pretty good area to be trading. But to be honest, this month of December is also going to be kind of slow, guys. So don't expect the market to be doing crazy movement. So what I'm doing only this week, guys, is only I'm scalping the market, grabbing some pip here and there, walk away. If for me it's safe if I do that. It's up to you what you want to do. And I do have the scalping method. Check that video as well, or either check the website. It's in there as well. So it's either way, whatever it worked for you. But I'm gonna be scalping the market because there's no business in the market. All right, so this is what I'm expecting to do this week for this pair, guys. I'm expecting to see a sell position to drop here, boom, and retest what? It retests our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then from there, market will continue as bullish. Remember, the market here is bullish. All we're doing here, let me go ahead and type it, guys. So that helps. That helps. All we're doing here is we're doing what? We're doing a pullback. So we're doing pullback as a sell. So we're not in this for a very long time. We need to grab 20, 30, 40 pips. Boom, walk away. Market is in a buy position. It's just doing that PV. Remember, PV equal VV. Unless if you know how to grab pips here and there, then you save. But that's what I'm expecting to see here on the market. I'm not expecting to see any crazy movement. Hopefully that helps. All right, let's go ahead and analyze the next pair. Guys, I'm here live. Please let me know if you do have any question, because that helps. That helps. I can answer any of your question. If anyone wants to join us, guys, join the Go membership. Learn how to trade. There's amazing one-on-ones in there. I just posted a brand new one, multiple time frame versus the RSI. That is a very good video. Take a look at it. I did it with Oscar, so that will help you. And then once you finish that, and if you really want to join our multiple time frame, just do it. But I want you to be a beast first. I don't want you to come as a newbie and say, oh, Irvin, I don't understand this. Or Irvin, how do you do this? No, it's all in there. And remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds. Wait. Hundreds of pips. Yes, sir. Let's go. So multiple time frame and the Go membership. Let's go. So let's go ahead and move on to the next pair here. The next one is going to be Go. Go is very sexy, guys. Look, everybody's here with me today. You remember when I called this drop here? Boom. And then did you guys remember when I called this all the bullish here? Boom. You guys remember when I called this drop here? Boom. And then what I'm saying this week is, guys, the market will, oops, let me delete this. What the market is going to do this week, in my opinion, remember, this is not a signal. This is just for educational purpose. But what I'm seeing here, market is going to do a small PV. Remember that Go is selling. So Go is going to do a small PV, retracing and retesting the 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, market will do what? Market, boom, will continue as bearish. Because the goal here is bearish. Look at what everybody's saying here on their radar. Sell. Uh-oh, the daily is contradicting. Fine. Weekly selling. Monthly selling. Why? You need to be in a long-term buy. Remember, market is just doing the PV, guys. Market is just doing the PV. Look at this. 4 hours is saying it's selling. Yes, it is. Look at that. Boom. It's here. This candle closed on Friday, but it didn't finish it. So this is what the system is reading here. It's reading the sell position in here. It's not reading anything else. Unless if you want to translate it in a different opinion, please let me know. Comment below. And I will be more than happy to wrestle your question so we can get better together as a family. All right. Any question, guys? Any questions so far? Let me know. I'm here with you. So let me know what kind of video I need to make. Oh, swell, guys. Let me know. And for now, guys, any one-on-ones that I do, I have to put it. I just want to clarify this. I have to put it into our Go membership because those members has paid to get trained. So, and they don't want this to be public. They say, okay, put it on the archive so I can go back in there anytime I want. So it's there. Trust me, it helps. Invest in yourself, guys. This is not much. A lot of people lose thousands and thousands of dollars. And here we don't even charge not even $100. It's freaking amazing. All right. Let's go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP is great, I think. Let me know what you think, guys. I think Euro GBP is awesome. Let me make this smaller so you can see it. Remember, here we are only selling, guys. The market here is selling. Pay attention what our multiple time frame is telling us. Look. Sell. 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 This was a strong PV. I remember when I called this PV, boom. Then sell here. Sell. Sell. Real time. This is over. This pullback here is game over. No more. So this guy is taking over. See that guy here? Boom. Market is selling. So we looking here only for what? We look only for sell. Let me make this bigger so you can take a look at it in a better position. Look at here. This is what I'm calling this pair to be in a sell position. Look. So this is me, my opinion. Market right now is showing us, everything is showing us, oh, you're Irvin. We are doing we're buying. Buy. But monthly, remember, look at who this guy is. This guy control everyone here. All these are their baby time frame. This guy is the boss. So this guy here is letting us know, because look, this 4 hours is reading this guy here. Because on Friday, the 4 hours couldn't close properly. So it's still reading this guy here. So yes, we're still in a buy position. So all I'm saying is for this week, guys, this is me. So what the market is going to do this week is the market is going to do what? Market is going to drop, still maybe do 1 or 2 more candle here, boom. But yes, the market overall is gonna drop. Remember, this is we're looking for a sell position in here. Market is gonna drop, boom, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small PV, boom, and then it's gonna drop like it's hot. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? This is Euro GBP. Remember, the market is not gonna be moving very strong. We're gonna come back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. We're gonna analyze today. Today is Saturday, and tomorrow Sunday. So we're gonna analyze our pre-week analysis, and then we're gonna do our full week, which is coming tomorrow, Sunday. And then please, guys, do never ever trade on Sunday. Sunday is not good to be trading. If you are new and trading and you think just because the market open on Sunday you need to be trading, no, please stay away. Sunday is bad business. It's like doing a pullback, boom, 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 boom. Stay away. But this is what I think Euro GBP is gonna do. Let me know in the comment below, and come and join our Go membership, guys. To be honest, it's a great thing to do, man. All right, let's go ahead and move on to USD peso. I love this pair, guys. Pay attention. This guy here, look, all this week, guys, USD peso was not doing anything. That's what I'm saying. This past week was bad. Look at this one. Bam, nothing. Look at from here. Nothing, guys. Market is dead. But don't get me wrong, market now, all I can say this week is market still gonna be pushing 1 or 2 more candle here, boom, 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 and then boom, market will be shutting as a bullish. That's what I think USD peso is gonna do, guys. Let me go ahead and bring let me delete all this stuff first. All right, and let me go ahead and bring you the how do you call oh gosh, I forgot the label. Let me make this bigger so I can show you the watermark, because I don't want you to get confused. There you go, USD peso. This is a good one. But let's pay attention to this one, guys. Let's look it up from miles or miles away. Look, this guy is selling. All you need to be doing is look for sales. Look, sell, 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 sell. Look at all this. This is our PV, 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 PV. Real time. What is Irving letting you know today? Today is Saturday. Irving is letting you know that USD peso is in a pullback. Pullback, PV equal BV if you don't know how to do it. So this is good, guys. Please pay attention. You should be only selling. But I mean, the market is, all I'm seeing this week, the month of December, guys, market is doing a lot of PV. Be careful, please be careful. If you listen, if you are gonna be scalping the market, over trading, you're gonna be blowing your account for the month of December, and you're gonna be pissed off to the market. Follow direction, guys. Don't trade without rules. Please don't trade without rules. And learn how to trade correctly, guys. Don't depend on any signal from no one. You need to know your AA games. Signals is bad business, to be honest, because other people are thinking for you. What about you? You still don't know anything. So come and join us. Join our Go membership if you want to start with that. And then once you are fully ready to go, you move on with our full system. So okay, oh guys, by the way, check Jay Flores YouTube channel. His channel is this one. Let me type it in here. He's running a promotion J Flores Forex. Check that on YouTube. Let me put it in here. That's his channel. Check him out. He's gonna give you if you are new here and you want to come and join us, he's gonna give you $95 off. Not a bad deal, but it's there. All right, guys. So any other question? I'm very excited. Hopefully this week we are gonna make some pips. I'm not expecting to go crazy this week, guys. I'm take it easier. The month of December is gonna start being super slow. As I'm telling you, last week I clearly told you market's gonna be open only for 3 days. That's exactly what the market was doing. So same thing is gonna happen this week. All right, so come in, take a look at us on our website, TWEForexSystem.com. All right, so it's there. Any question, guys? Any question for me? Because if you don't have any question, I'm gonna go ahead and do something else. Remember, we were trading our pre-week Forex outlook and review week. So we trade in the week of November 30th to December for trading our multiple time frame system. So thank you, guys. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. All right. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista.